आप देख रहे हैं नेड्रिक न्यूज, साहस सच कहने का।
नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ प्रेरणा तलवार। स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल नेड्रिक न्यूज में। हर बार हम आपको एक ऐसी शख्सियत से मिलवाते हैं जिसकी जो लाइफ जर्नी होती है उसको जानने के बाद आप लोग भी चौंक जाते हैं कि एक शख्स और इतने सारे कारनामे। जी हाँ, एक बार फिर से हम आपको मिलवाएंगे एक ऐसे शख्स से जिनका आर्ट वर्क देखने के बाद आप सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाएंगे कि आप कलर्स का इस तरीके से भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। फिलहाल जो ये आर्टिस्ट हैं, ये जर्मनी आर्टिस्ट हैं, इनका नाम है क्रिस्टियन। और दूसरी बात हम आपको बता दें, सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि होली आने वाली है और होली के कलर्स से हम रंगोली बनाएंगे, गालों पर लगाएंगे। लेकिन क्या आप सोच सकते हैं कि हम उस होली के कलर से पेंटिंग बना सकते हैं? एक ऐसा आर्ट वर्क, एक ऐसा मास्टरपीस जो आपको सोचने पर मजबूर कर देगा कि लग कुछ रहा है, दिख कुछ रहा है, लेकिन जिसने इसे बनाया है तो कुछ और सोच कर ही बनाया है। आइए चलते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं ये मस्त मास्टरपीस। कहते हैं जिसका काम होता है वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता पाता है कि उसने क्या किया है। तो चलिए उन्हीं से पूछते हैं कि उनका जो आर्ट वर्क है वो उनके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था जो उन्होंने ये मास्टरपीस क्रिएट कर दिया। मिलते हैं, शी इज़ द क्यूरेटर ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट एंड ये है हमारे साथ वो महान शख्सियत जिन्होंने ये सारा आर्ट वर्क बनाया है। तो सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस आर्ट वर्क।
The concept of the artwork is almost color. It's all about color, and that's the main thing of the concept. How to interact with colors, how does colors interact to each other, and how does colors interact in a special room, in a special space, in a special city, now here in Delhi. So that's the concept.
My next question is what are the things you have used? What are the materials you have used in this artwork?
Yeah, I actually didn't bring any colors with me from Germany. I arrived 3 weeks ago about, and I used only holy colors for these paintings. So I used only special Indian colors and did not bring any colors with me from Germany.
And we can see, we have this, a glass artwork, okay? And the different one is on the paper. So what are the difference in both these artworks?
Yeah, that's a good question. The colors, I mean, these colors behind glasses, they are gold framed, and I mean the golden frame does something with the colors. There's an interaction with the gold, and on the paper, colors, how to say, stand in a different way. Yeah, maybe so far.
Okay, as you have told us that there is nothing in your mind while you are painting.
No, that's not true, sorry. Because nothing in my mind is not true. There is a lot of, yeah, I know. Yeah, but it's important to say it. There are a lot of colors in my mind, but the colors in my mind does not mean anything else but the colors they are.
Then let's
That's
do it
the
again.
point.
One more time, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is there in your mind while you are painting?
There are colors in my mind, only colors in my mind. And the colors which are in my mind mean only the colors itself and nothing else but the color.
So before coming to India, which are the countries you have visited and what are the artworks you have done a part of them? Like this is the holy material all you have used. And apart from this, your early artwork was what was all that about?
Yeah, if I paint in Hamburg, when I paint in Hamburg, I mostly paint with oil on canvas, mostly. And before I came here to Delhi, before I came to India, I have been to Cape Town, and there, for example, I didn't use the colors of the country as I do here. I brought my colors with me, and there I painted on corrugated iron. So I used a part of the country I visit and bring another part with me. So yeah.
Indian people will be so obliged by listening this that you have used Holi colors, as the Holi is a very sacred festival of Indian people, and Holi is round the corner. So what are the thoughts you have about India and Indian people? So just tell me about it.
Actually, I said it before, because when I said that I didn't bring any colors with me to India, because for me, India is the country of colors.
We have Nana here, and she is the wife of our artist, and she'll be telling you all the brief things about this artwork. And now just उनसे पूछते हैं क्या उनकी राय है. So tell me what you feel when he's making this artwork, and what do you help in this art, or what?
I don't help in this art. I'm the curator of the show, and me as an art historian and theorist, I see it from another side. Like, I observe it, I accompany his work, and I connect it and refer to many traditional art developments. So if I watch at these series here and have a look at them, I see many references. Like, he is not concerned with all these symbolistic and traditional ways of seeing color. But of course, I'm aware of all these notions people have when they look at them. And for example, if I look at these paperworks, I of course see the tradition of watercolor painting. And Christian is using paper in a totally different way. So if he's layering many layers of color, one above the other, and then pasting paper on it and using this really thick color material, it's a very different way of using paper as a painting material. So this is very special, and in his work, as I know it in a whole, it's very special. It has a special position and outstanding position. So this is really dealing with India as a place, and dealing with the Indian color, which is really special, and to us Europeans a bit different. It's very strong and vivid. I mean, of course we have vivid colors as well, but using holy colors, it is very special, and you see it in the result. It's a special result. Yeah.
So now, what you have seen the change in the artwork of him, what he has done before and what he has done in India. As we know, he has visited Cape Town before coming India. So what are the changes you have seen in him and in his artwork?
Actually, he didn't change really. He remained the same, luckily. But of course, he got many impulses here and many friendships and new, impressions. But in the artwork, I see many new things, like developing this technique of pasting paper, of collage. This is really new. You didn't use it before. This is very new. Actually, this technique of circular forms on paper, he developed in another residency in Finland. So this was the root. And then in India, he developed it further. So this pasting of paper onto paper with different layers of color, and thick and also transparent color, this is something very new. And it was produced right here on the side. Yeah.
So would you like to explain us some of other artworks as well?
Yes.
We would like to actually. Yeah, of course.
The glasses.
Yeah. Tell me about this one.
Yes.
It's a petal dark red rose kind of a color, and it's really very, favorite of girls in India. So do tell me about this one.
Yes, like as you noticed, for Christian, the red doesn't symbolize anything. It's not red of love or flower petals or something. But for him, it's only the pure color red. But for me as an art historian, of course, the whole tradition of reverse glass painting is coming into it. So if you see this and with a gold frame, it has a kind of humorous reference to those traditions. I mean, in India you have the reverse glass painting tradition as well, which is very elaborated miniature painting. And here you see the pure color, but in reverse glass painting. So this is kind of reference to the traditions, but it gets a totally new appearance. So you have this circular form, you have the pure red color, and its holy color, and then the glass frame. So it's a mingling of many traditions, but brought in a totally new form.
Yeah, it has become a masterpiece now, seriously. So when you have showed his artwork to other people, what was their perception about this artwork? Just tell me that.
Yesterday evening, when there were many people here, also in talking to them, I noticed that people have a very essential approach to the works, as they don't represent something figurative. You notice that people are very emotional about seeing it and percepting it. So the people always tell like, oh, this is so special to me, it does something to me. And I think this is the difference between his work and many others who are figurative. Like people are dealing with the color is touching your emotions. And this is something that is very special about it, yes. And actually yesterday we had the proof of it, like many people coming here and you talk to them and you see they are very touched by the color and the form and also the whole display. So it influences your kind of system, emotional system.
So I would like to ask you, what are the challenges you have faced in your artwork before coming to India and in other countries too?
Yeah, especially here now. I had only 3 weeks' time to develop these works, and surely I had an idea before I came. And I could not be sure how this idea will work and actually how it will change. I knew it will change. And this changing and being part of this changing, that is probably the biggest challenge in this project.
I would like to ask you about this artwork. Just come with me, and it is depicting like there are books putting in the shelf of a library. So what are your perception in this?
That's interesting. I haven't seen this before. I haven't seen books, not at all. For me, again, it's color interacting with color, and colors in different shapes, different forms, and these thick color and this thin color. And
as we can see, it's a very thick layer here, and it's very transparent here. So how do you manage putting each and everything so so clearly, without any flaw, without any the messiness? How do you manage it?
The technique. The technique. It's actually done with a knife. And then it's done very, as you say, very clear and very straight. I just did it.
That's your actually forte, that you really did it, and we really liked it actually. And as ma'am has told us that the colors are very emotionally touchable to our heart, and it does actually. And in India, girls are really addicted to red, purple, pink. So we would like to ask you about the pink one. मैं अपने कैमरा पर्सन से कहूँगी थोड़ा आगे आएं और इसको दिखाएं. आप ये देखिए, बिल्कुल ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत प्यारा सा, लड़कियां तो सोचेंगी कि मेरा कोई ऐसा डिज़ाइन टॉप होता. तो मैं सर के पास फिर से वापस चलती हूँ. सो नाउ यू टेल मी, हैव यू एवर थॉट अबाउट इट दैट योर द designs, okay, I would tell them designs because they are like, we can put it on our clothes, we can use it on some of the fabrics. As in India, girls are very addicted to designs, and they are very choosy. They really like different kind of designs, different kind of colors. So have you got some of the chance to make it as some of the other idea, like people would have come to you that I really want to opt this design for my business purpose? So, has it happened with you?
No, and I wouldn't do it. Sorry, but I wouldn't do it because I don't see the design, I see the composition.
Yeah.
And that's a big difference between design for something and a composition which is standing for itself. And this is, for me, a composition and not a design.
Maybe I can add something to this. What you probably mean and what maybe goes in this direction is that Christian is doing wall painting as well.
Okay.
So it's not about fashion, but it's about architecture and people wanting to live in the work, you know? Like there's the connection with architecture and the space. So the wall paintings he does, which is another series. He has huge wall paintings. So this goes a bit in this applied arts direction, you mean?
So I was very near to that. So tell me about the wall painting things.
The wall paintings are called Wandering Stars, and actually I paint the light fields between the shadows, and the shadows are always part of the architecture, and therefore these paintings are directly interfere with the architecture itself.
So what are your upcoming projects after this? Do tell me. Do share some of the hints.
There are some exhibitions I do in Germany actually when I come back, and when I come back I will probably go back to the painting oil on canvas and prepare these projects, prepare these exhibitions, the upcoming.
Please give me your suggestions or the advice to the little kids and people who are into this artwork and who are really like paintings, and the person who like to compose a different kind of art piece. Okay, so what is your advice and suggestion and a message for those people?
Be brave and do it. Be brave and do it, and don't think about right and wrong. Just do it. There's no right and there's no wrong.
And what do you think about it?
I would agree. Yeah, that's the thing. Just try it and experiment and see what comes out of it. And be brave, as you said. Don't be afraid of doing something wrong. Just be self-aware and self-conscious and do it.
We wish you a joyful and peaceful Holi.
With lots of colors and lots of fun and lots of happiness.
And एक बार फिर से नेटड्रिक न्यूज़ की तरफ से भी a very very happy होली. रंगों से खेलिए और याद रखिएगा कि ये होली कलर से खेलनी है, किसी को परेशान नहीं करना. मुझे इजाज़त दीजिए, फिर से लौटेंगे एक और महान शख्सियत के साथ. नमस्कार.
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं. नेटड्रिक न्यूज़ की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए.